Hey, and welcome to Alt One. So, do you want to be a part of the best trading crew that trade live every single day? Well, we just had a live session. And if you lost this live session, probably you're not subscribed to my channel, you have not turned the bell notification on, and also, hey, help me out a little. Push the like button now, because more people I get into my live sessions, more fun it is for me. And yes, we are printing money every single day, almost. I have been trading now for more than 1 year and 7 months, and I just have 14 days we have a losing day. And trust me, the losing days are not big. It's like $100, $200 when we have a losing day, okay? So we are doing amazingly good, okay? So I will now soon show you my results for today, what I've done, how I trade, and also you can use this trading strategy I show you now, so you can trade manually by yourself also. But of course you can join into my live sessions and trade together with me. Also, I do trade live in Discord every time I'm live in YouTube. You find link below the video for this Discord channel. And it's super easy to follow me. It's super easy. And Discord is a little better than YouTube. There we have zero lag. In YouTube sometimes you can have more than 10 seconds. So that means, for example, when I take a trade, then 10 seconds later you will see the trade on your screen. Actually, it does not matter that much because of the trading style we're doing. You still can follow on YouTube, but in Discord we have zero lags. It's much better. Plus the screen quality and sound quality is better on Discord. Okay. Now for the last part, you need to have a broker, of course. It's much more fun, even if you just use a demo account. Make sure you sign up with this broker. You'll find a link below the video, and you get 200% on your first deposit if you choose to make a deposit and trade with real money together with us. Okay. Now let's take a look at how we trade, and then lastly I will show you the win rate. So for example, up here now we can see that we have an area of interest. What we do, we take a horizontal line and we put it there. Then first, if I have a blue line, then I'm just showing you where I'm thinking. In this case up here now, looks very nice. So we change this one for red color. Then as always I zoom in. Then I say, if you get up to this red line here, we'll take a 30-second down trade. So if this bar now turn around and come up to our red line, we just push down. Same go if we go down to this green line you see here. You see we have already marked one here. If this bar here now come down to this green line, we basically just push up. It's that simple. I basically are just trading support, resistance, but not only that, I do look on trend. So I think we market a good trend on this one here. Yes, see here. Here we are also following the trend. We are always aware of the squeeze. Squeeze means where we have a support and trend. And in this case, you see the trend did break us downwards from this support here. So we are always aware of all these type of things while we are trading. So, and I explain everything while I'm trading, why I put the lines where I put them, why I don't take a trade. For example, on here, for example, I will not take a buy trade on this. When we see the squeeze start to be very tight here, I don't take a trade. We wait for confirmations, and all this I help you through when you trade together with me live. Now let's go and see how we did today. Let's go to my trades, and here you can see we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades today, and we have 7 wins out of 8 trades. How amazing is that? But not only that, every time we take a trade we get cash back. So I can push here now. This $16 will now added to the balance here. Then we can go back to the calculation, plus 16. I made a profit of $492 in matter of 1 hour taking $100 trades. So if you think this is something that you want to do also, can this be your next hobby, or do you want to go in professional trading like I do? Well, the first step might be to join my live session, see if you like my trading style, see if you manage to follow my trades, and then you can take a decision on what you want to do going forward. So I hope I see you in my next live stream, and let's make some money together.